Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a bubble nail. So I did a bubble nail the other day, it went up on my video. There's the nail there, so I'll link that down below on how to do a bubble nail. So today what I thought I would do is a chrome bubble nail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this tip with 2 coats of a black gel polish. Whilst I'm doing that, why don't you head on down and click the subscribe button, because I've got plenty of exciting videos coming up. Straight after I've done this one, I'm going to be filming another video of an exciting new product I've got as well, and I've also got some new products on order that are I'm waiting for that are coming. I can't even get my words out. So without further ado, let me get painting this nail. So I'm sure you've all seen the bubble technique. It's going crazy online in the nail industry, but I wanted to try another technique with it. So that's what I'm doing today. So let me just go ahead and cure this. Okay, so this has gone and had 2 coats of a black gel polish and cured. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply, this is a Madam Glam Soak Off No Wipe, sorry, get that in focus. This is a Madam Glam No Wipe top coat. So I'm just going to apply that to the tip. Just apply that. So what I will do is I'll apply this nice and thin to the tip. Obviously it looks like I'm doing a lot because this is a really long tip. Take off the excess. And normally when you do chrome you want to do it as smooth as possible, because chrome shows up any lump and bump. But I think when it comes down to the bubble technique, it's sort of you can get away with it, and you'll probably see why in a minute, although I haven't tried this with chrome yet, so I'm hoping it's going to turn out okay, so we'll soon see. So let me just pop that in the lamp to cure, and whilst that is curing I'll show you my chromes. So let's pop that in. Okay, so these are some chromes that I have. Let me just zoom you out. Let's go this way. So these are some chromes that I have. I got some Magpie Beauty chromes. These are some Glitterati nail chromes. I've got some Born Pretty chromes. I've got some chromes like unicorn chromes from like where did I get these? AliExpress maybe, or some random chromes. I've got a couple of them sort of swatched on the stick on this wheel, but I think what I'm going to go with is maybe like one like this. So this Glitterati one here. So that lamp's gone off now, so let's apply this chrome. Okay, I changed my mind. I decided to go with this one here, and this is a Glitterati Nails one, and it's called Fairy Magic. So it looks white in the pot, but it's actually like a petrol green type one. Well, we'll see how it goes when it goes on the tip. So I use like a silicone tool when I apply chromes. So let's hope it goes on okay. Let's get it on the nail. So I use like the flat-ended one. Just get some on there, and we'll just wipe it on. So let's just I'm just going to use my finger and try and rub some bits in. I don't know if you can see that. So what I'm going to do is just quickly put the lid back on this so I don't spill the whole thing. And then we're going to top coat this first, as I did with my other bubble nails. I'm going to do it the same way. I'm going to apply a normal top coat first. So I'll just use my normal sticky top coat. I'll apply this over, and I'm just going to give this a brush to get off any excess loose flakes. We'll apply a sticky layer, a sticky top coat, shall we say. And then once you've applied the top coat, it's a lot more green. And I'm going to let's do that tip there. I'm going to pop that in the lamp. So whilst that's in the lamp, I'm just going to show you my mix. So it's the same mix I done last time. This is water with some Carex hand soap in. So I've just applied some in. I haven't even stirred it up yet. So I'm just going to get a hoof stick, and I'm literally going to keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring, just until you froth it. And techniques that you see people say when you're watching all these videos, and techniques on how to create these bubble nails and how to get the, you know, to get the foam. It's almost like as if you're whisking, like whisking an egg. So you want to get like these peaks of bubbles in your soap. So I'm going to keep whisking, and as you can see, it's creating nice bubbles and froth in that soapy water. So I'll keep doing that until you get in an arm ache, basically. Just keep going and keep going. Okay, I think that's enough. As you can see, that's a good amount of bubbles in my soap. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back with my no wipe top coat, and I'm just going to apply the no wipe top coat back to this tip. So I haven't removed the sticky layer of the top coat that I applied previously, and I'm now applying the no wipe top coat back on top of the inhibition layer of the previous top coat. So doing that. So that's now got the no wipe top coat, and I haven't cured that, so I haven't moved into the lamp. My water's here with the bubbles. Here's my tip, and I have a just like a facial spatula for like when I do facials. There's my tip, and I'm literally, so what I'll do is I'll just zoom you out a little bit. Oh, wrong way. I'm literally going to scoop out, and as I'm scooping, just let any excess water just drain off that spatula. And as I scoop, just sit it on the nail, but don't drag it on, you know, don't drag it on the nail, don't touch the nail. Literally just let the bubbles touch the nail. So let me just get a little bit more. Just letting any excess drain. I'm going back there. I mean, to how dense your bubbles are, it just means how dense the final look will be. So if you have a big bubble, you'll have a big bubble end result, you know, once it's finished. So you can see I've got a bubble there. I'm going to just see if I can pop it. Yes. I don't want, there you go, it's gone. So what I'm going to do, rather than faff about anymore, I'm going to put this straight into my lamp. Okay, so this has just come out of the lamp, and this is how it comes out. It comes out with the bubbles, and I've literally just got some disinfectant spray. There, it's a nail disinfectant spray, and I'm literally going to spray the nail. Spray the nail. I'm going to pick up a wipe, get some nail cleanser. Give it a wipe, and wow, that looks amazing. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, just let it focus. So there you have it, guys. There is a chrome or a multi-chrome bubble nail. Just that makes sense water there. Simple to do. This technique is just amazing. It is a simple technique to do. Your clients are going to love it. I hope you love it too. If you want to see my other bubble nail, let me find it, where if I put it. There was my other bubble nail that I did. That was just on a standard gel polish. This one now I've done with the chrome. Doing the chrome nail, you know, it's just a couple of extra steps, but the technique is still the same, isn't it, basically? So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Once I've stopped recording on this one, I'm about to record another video because I've got some exciting new products that I've just received. It's something I've wanted in a while, so I'm going to film and try that. So I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you like that. I'm going to insert some pictures so you get a better view, because the camera just doesn't want to focus on this shininess. In real life, this is just amazing. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.